introductory session focusing on dance moves that you would do in a drum solo. Normally when I perform and teach, I teach Egyptian style belly dance, but today we just did sort of a general pan belly dance style workshop where we just did a lot of basic fundamental movements that you would find in just belly dance in general, be it American style belly dance, Turkish style belly dance, Egyptian style, or whatever, or fusion styles. I just thought it would be fun today, since it was like a one-time class, one-time workshop, to just do something that was very upbeat, something that they could take home and practice or show their friends and kind of wow them.